to become better or successful at something, this video will provide you with a foundation to get started. Chances are, no matter what your current income, relationship, or job situation is, you wouldn't mind being more successful. Of course, the term success is unique to you. You must first define success, and then determine what you want to be successful at. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to success is more important than any other one thing. The first step to becoming successful is to emulate the ones who've already done it. 1. Get a mentor. All successful people have credited at least one influential person or mentor in their life. Mentors not only provide support, but also challenge your thoughts and actions. Not to prove who's right or wrong, but to open your horizons, offer other options, challenge preconceived ideas, and truly help you discover who you are. A mentor will never accept the phrase, "I don't know, it's just always been that way," because a mentor believes you control your future. 2. Be healthy. Live, breathe, think, eat healthy. We all know healthy living, exercise, and eating is important. However, for the road to true success, it's not enough. It's imperative your mind, yes, every thought, supports your decision to be successful. Be aware of negative self-talk or thoughts. They will put a stop to your success faster than anyone or anything else, which means you may have to reprogram your thoughts. To do this, continuously reaffirm the fact you are attaining your goal. Notice I didn't say you will attain your goal. The key is to focus on your thoughts, not your actual actions. Why? Your mind does not know the difference between fact and make-believe. By repeatedly saying you're successful, your mind will accept it as fact. Once your entire being functions at 100%, nothing will stop you. Roadblocks become hurdles. Hurdles become rocks in the road. Rocks become great stories along the way. All things will be possible. 3. Put blinders on. Only focus on your goal. Henry Ford once said, "Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal." Keep your eyes on your goal and don't look around. Success can be attained by anyone, especially you. With your eyes on the goal, a mentor to guide you, and a healthy attitude, you offer yourself no other possibility than to succeed.